The mission of the Center on Latino and Latino Rights and Equality, CLOR, is to increase improve the status of Latinos and Latinas in the United States. We do that through educational programs, advocacy programs, and litigation-related, law-related projects. So we focus on sex trafficking, we focus on gentrification, we focus on diversity of the profession, we focus on health-related issues, environmental justice, food justice issues, where we bring in speakers from our community as well as lawyers working on these issues who really talk about the cutting-edge issues, and they talk about how lawyers and activists can be involved. To our knowledge, this is the first center of its kind that focuses just on Latinos in the U.S. and just on Latinos from the social justice public interest perspective. We also try to assist through advocacy by signing on to various projects and efforts to increase awareness of the problems that Latinos are facing in the U.S. For example, encouraging the Federal Communications Agency to look at hate crimes against Latinos that have been on the uptake over the past year, to focus on sex trafficking in the United States and how it impacts Latinas who are here from other countries or Latinas who are in the United States. So we try and do that through all our programs, and in addition we try and participate in mentor programs and inform and assist women and men from the Latino community who are already in college or in high school, who have made a commitment to this particular profession or are very much interested or don't know anything about the profession, to give them more information about what it is to be a Latina lawyer, a Latino lawyer, and the issues that are impacting our communities. The students help with research, the students help with drafting papers, the students help meeting with the lawyers and strategizing around some of the issues and how we might respond to them. The students help also in identifying some of the most recent reports that might not be in the legal area but are in some of the other advocacy projects and bringing that to us so we can use them and present them to the court. In addition to what the Center on Latino Rights and Equality does on focusing on diversification, the law school also has a center on diversity in the profession, which focuses not only on diversity amongst the student body, but diversity amongst the faculty and diversity in the profession itself. So that center does that kind of instrumental work. In addition, we have the Pipeline to Justice program, which is specifically focused on increasing diversity in our own law school student body by taking students that have applied to the law school who otherwise present a very compelling application, who really appear to us to be the kinds of students we want in the law school, but for whatever reason did not gain admission on the first round, and invite them to participate in a rigorous program where they go through courses, they learn about the LSAT, they get prepped for the LSAT, they learn about law school classes, they do mock classes, and they do a multi-month program in preparation for taking the LSAT again and doing law school exams again. And then if they succeed in that program, they are invited to enter the law school, and we welcome them. And the students who have entered through that program have done exceptionally well at the law school. In fact, one of them was one of my research assistants, and she was an incredible student.